Welcome to Worldtech HD, your go-to channel for the latest in technology. Today, we'll delve into the incredible realm of quick-build constructions, where innovation and speed merge into an extraordinary experience. Brace yourselves to be amazed as we explore together the most astonishing creations and cutting-edge technological solutions. Are you ready to dive into the future? Well, let's not waste any more time and get started. Geodomex. This dome promises to transform your garden into a modern paradise. Let's look at the details. The dome measures 9.6 square meters and can accommodate up to 12 people. It's made from polycarbonate, which is incredibly durable, being 200 times stronger than glass. Thanks to its smart design, the dome provides protection from snow, rain, and even winds up to 100 kilometers per hour. Plus, it's built to last over 10 years, and it will maintain its fresh appearance thanks to the UV-protected polycarbonate panels. You can set up the dome on your own in about 4 hours, as all the necessary assembly tools are included. Keeping it in good condition is simple too. Just give it a periodic watering with a hose and a wipe. The price for this dome is approximately $1,200 foreign. CMAX system. Reports that as of May 2023, there were approximately 110 million refugees and internally displaced individuals globally. That's more than the entire population of Germany. Companies worldwide are working on addressing the challenge of providing reasonably comfortable accommodations for such a large number of refugees. A solution comes in the form of these foldable shelters. They offer the versatility of tents combined with the sturdiness of camping trailers. They can be set up in just 11 minutes without the need for tools, and they can comfortably house up to 8 people. Plus, these shelters can adapt to various purposes, such as serving as a medical center or a storage space. Additionally, for every 11 shelters sold, the manufacturer donates one to refugee camps across the globe. Rolling unit. The Estonian company Maru sure knows how to be creative. Imagine a versatile trailer that can triple in size. The XL version of this trailer offers a roomy 30 square meters of space. You can turn it into anything, from an office to a barbershop. Inside, you'll find insulation and a Mitsubishi split system, so you'll stay comfy whether it's a scorching 50 degrees Celsius or a freezing minus 40 degrees Celsius outside. For worry-free power, you can add solar panels. Setting up this trailer is a breeze, taking just 8 minutes. You can start it up the traditional way with a button, or do it remotely from your smartphone. Flexotels. The founder of the Dutch company Flexotels is often called the godfather of glamping. He has been in the business so long that it's said that even Napoleon himself stayed in a Flex hotel. Now, let's talk about why these mobile hotels are a hit at concerts and festivals. First off, you can transport 20 suites in just one truck. A standard suite is 7.2 square meters and can comfortably house 3 or 4 people inside. You'll find 2 separate rooms with lockable doors, along with beds, mattresses, power outlets, and cabinets. What's even more impressive is how quickly these mobile hotels can be set up. Up to 150 of them in a single day, depending on the version. Angarstroy. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations uses these hangars for aircraft and helicopter repairs. It's a substantial structure. In this version, measuring 40 by 45 by 22 meters, providing ample room for even a UN-74 airplane. Setting up this hangar takes some time, a solid 80 hours. However, it comes with pneumatic gates that are 37 by 13 meters in size, plus heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system built inside. The company is flexible and can build hangers for various purposes and in different configurations. For instance, you could order a gym hanger with customizable shapes and sizes. No foundation is necessary for installation, and an automatic blower with intelligent control ensures the right pressure is maintained. Continest. This is the most innovative foldable container technology, according to the Hungarian company that created it. They've been making good progress with these containers, even showcasing them at the 2019 World Ski Championships. They've also managed to sell these containers in 18 different countries. When fully unfolded, the CN10 container takes up 7.2 square meters of space. It comes with 5 220-volt outlets, LED lighting, plastic doors, and windows as standard features. If customers want, they can even add an air conditioner and a heater. These containers can be easily moved and unfolded using a forklift. For larger events, these containers can be stacked on top of each other to create a mini hotel. CN Retail Unit. Speaking of hotels, many guests staying in these hotels might be looking for food, drinks, and souvenirs. That's where the clever Hungarians also come in, as they've created special retail units. These containers are about 6 meters long, providing enough space for multiple cooks and sellers to work comfortably. Setting up and taking down these units only takes about 10 minutes. Inflatable hanger. Let's wrap things up with these inflatable structures. Some market them as party tents, while others promote them as warehouses, retail units, or exhibition centers. Firstly, they can be set up rapidly. For instance, a versatile inflatable hanger covering 134 square meters takes just about an hour to assemble. Secondly, there's no need for bobber foundation preparations. And thirdly, these structures are suitable for various climates. However, the advantages of most models are quite similar. With many models designed to handle temperatures ranging from -45 to +55 degrees Celsius. Thank you for joining us on Worldtech HD. If our video about quick build constructions has captivated you, please hit the like button and share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest technologies. Your support means the world to us. Until next time.